Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. Use long division to solve the division operation below. The answer is 86. So how did we arrive at this answer? Using long division, we can write the dividend on the right and the divisor on the left, and then we put a long division symbol between them. Next, we choose the digit in the dividend which we can divide by the divisor. So if we choose 4, this is not possible because we can't fit at least one 5 inside a 4. So that means we're going to use 2 digits. So how many 5s are there in 43? If you memorize the multiplication table already, this is easy to do because we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40, which is 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, 5 times 7, and 5 times 8. So we know that there are 8 5s inside 43. So we divide 43 by 5, and we know that the answer is 8, and 8 times 5 is 40. Next, we subtract 40 from the number that we used for our division. So 43 minus 40 is 3, and we put that answer down here. Next is we're going to look back at our dividend, and we're going to see that there's still a digit left. So we're going to bring down that digit and put that beside the answer of the subtraction. So that's going to give us 30. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to divide 30 by 5, or ask how many 5s are there in 30. Again, if you memorize the multiplication table, you would know that there are 6 5s inside a 30. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Or 5 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 and times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. So there are 6 5s in 30. And notice that we put that answer on top of the digit that we brought down. Next, we multiply 6 to 5, and as we know, 6 times 5 is 30. After that, we perform a subtraction operation. So 30 minus 30 is 0. Since there are no more digits left from the dividend to bring down, this means that this is the end of our division operation. And since our last subtraction resulted in 0, that means there are no remainders for 430 divided by 5. And the answer to that question is 86, which is this one. Use long division to solve the division operation below. The answer is 11 with a remainder of 1. So how did we arrive at this answer? So first is we write our dividend and our divisor side by side. So we have 109. Next, we draw our long division symbol, and then we choose the digits that we can use to divide by 9. So let's choose 1. But since we can't fit at least one 9 inside a 1, then that means we have to choose 2 digits from the left. So now we can divide 10 by 9, or in other words, there is at least one 9 in a 10. So we're going to use 10. Next, we're going to divide 10 by 9, or how many 9s are there in a 10? And we know that there is one 9 in a 10. So we write the answer on top of the last digit of the number that we used, or the digits that we used for the division. So we put 1 here. Next is we multiply 1 to 9. And 9 times 1 is 9. So we put that answer below the digits that we used for our division. And then we perform a subtraction. So 10 minus 9 is 1, right? Looking back at our dividend, we can see that there's still a digit left. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that digit down and put it beside the answer to our subtraction, giving us a new number, which is 10. So we're going to divide 10 by 9, or ask how many 9s are inside a 10. And we know that there is 1. So we write that answer on top of the digit that we just brought down, and we multiply that answer to our divisor, which is 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. We put that answer below the number that we just divided, and we perform subtraction. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Since there are no more digits left to bring down, this means this is the end of our long division process. So our answer is 11, but notice that there is a remainder since there's a number left after the subtraction process that we did, or since this is not 0 after the subtraction. So the answer is 11 with a remainder of 1, or this one. Did this video help you? Subscribe to us or follow us so you will be the first to know whenever we upload math help tutorial videos just for you. Here are some videos and playlists you might want to watch. Keep on learning.